Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cut clips in Capcut. Let's get started. Here I have imported my clip or my video to Capcut and we're going to cut this clip. So the first thing we're going to do is clicking on this clip like this. And if we want to remove the first section of this clip, we can click on this, this white part of the section, and we can drag it to the right like this. But if we want to remove the end of this clip, we can go to the end of this clip, then we can drag it to the left like this. And actually there is another way to cut the clip. So I'm going to show you another way. We can place the separator to the part of the clip that we want to cut, and we can go right or we can go left, and after that we can click on this split button, then click on delete option to remove the unwanted part of this clip. Alright guys, and that's how we can cut clips in Capcut. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.